which things we should consider before buying any second-hand car?
One is you need to check whether the vehicle has any structural damages. Structural damages means
How will I decide whether that vehicle will be a perfect match for me or not?
so for that either you can appoint a third party,
Okay.
who will work for you,
Yeah. He should be unbiased.
unbiased.
Brief me in detail, like in which cases we should approach to consumer court.
So if there is any manufacturing defect you find,
Okay.
if it is your negligence, do not go.
Okay.
If you want pleasure, you go with the Mercedes brand, like
Yeah.
Mercedes.
Right.
Okay. If you really want to enjoy the driving, then you go.
Someone is not having that much of budget, and he want a good driving car experience. Which will be the best option?
Toyota will be good in that
option.
one. And they
Okay.
have the reliability also, economy also, and the technology also.
So, what is your understanding about EV market in India as of now?
So obviously, EV market is growing in India, but still there is a lack of infrastructure. Okay, if the infrastructure improve, then there is nothing like that for the EV market.
India is now third largest automobile market in the world, and yet most owners make decisions worth lakhs without fully understanding depreciation valuation or insurance fine print. Studies suggest that a new car can lose up to 20 to 30%, even till 40% of its value in first year only, and luxury car may depreciate even faster. Meanwhile, insurance claims worth lakhs are frequently getting rejected due to overlooked technical clauses. In pre-owned market, valuation gaps often lead buyers to overpay 1 to 5 lakh rupees. So here is a real question. Is car ownership is a symbol of success or a silent financial blind spot? Today's conversation is not just about cars, it's about financial awareness, asset valuation, and making ownership a deliberate strategic decision rather than an emotional one. So let's decode the real economics of vehicle ownership. Hello, sir, and welcome to our podcast. My first question about second hand and used car is like which things we should consider before buying any second hand car.
So it's depend upon, first you have to map your journey, map your vehicle, why you want that vehicle, and then I will tell you some key points while buying a second-hand vehicle.
Yes.
So number one is you need to check whether the vehicle has any structural damages. Structural damages means is there any apron, pillar damage is there?
Okay.
Because that is something which you cannot repair.
Right.
Even if you repair, the performance of the vehicle is get affected.
Okay. And how we can check that structural damage?
So once you open the bonnet, you'll come to know there is a difference between the color of apron. Apron is the parts where your engine gearbox is mounted and your front axle is also mounted. Okay, so that is the key bone. It's kind of, you can say, spine of the vehicle.
Right.
Okay, and if it is damaged, and if it is repaired accurately, then there is no problem. But if you are not able to repair, realign that apron, then the vehicle will start giving trouble. In terms of vehicle will pull on one side. It may possible that vehicle will overturn and your life is at risk. Okay. So avoid such kind of vehicle. Then you need to see that whether the kilometers is rollback.
And how can we check
60% Indian vehicles, used vehicles, are meter is tempered.
60%.
60%.
It's a huge number.
I have experience of 22 years. I have inspected, I have evaluated more than 5 lakh vehicles, and it is my observation that 60% vehicles. So in that case, you have to ask for the service history. you check the kilometers,
Okay.
and you check the number of years.
Okay. So all things we have to.
Yeah. So it's a connecting dot.
Right.
And then you will come to know that whether the kilometer is genuine or not.
Hmm.
So that is second part. Third part is that you have to check the ownership.
Okay.
Okay, and that you can check nowadays because of the AI and all these things. So platform is available that you can check the Vahan data.
Okay. Vahan data.
Vahan data.
Like which
That is
details we
government.
have to check?
So ownership details.
Mhm.
Okay, and make sure that suppose the vehicle is in your name
Hmm.
and any third person is selling that vehicle.
Okay.
So you have to give the check in the owner's name only.
Oh, right.
Right?
Fraud cases might happen.
Fraud cases are there, maybe theft cases are there.
Hmm.
So that you need to take care.
Right.
Right?
Okay.
So these are the three major points.
Okay.
One is for the structural damages. Second part is the kilometer.
Hmm.
Third one is who is the legal owner.
Right. And what about engine? Like how can we
it's
check the engine
so
defects?
engine you can check through the oil leakage.
Okay.
Then is there any back compression is there?
Hmm.
And the important one is the smoke of the silencer.
Okay.
So if it is a white smoke,
Hmm.
so that means there is a problem in the engine.
True.
So that you can make it out, and then you need to do further investigating that.
Okay.
You can go to the repairer, you can go
Hmm.
to this thing and cross check.
Hmm.
So these are the indications.
Okay.
But you have to make sure that it is already there or not.
Any other major important part that we have to check before buying any vehicle? Gearbox.
So gearbox, there is no such major problem is there. Only the thing is the shifting of gear is not
Hmm.
proper.
Okay. Okay.
Right.
What generally happens is when we want to buy any vehicle or used car, we generally go to our mechanic who is nearby, and we will like go with that mechanic. We'll evaluate that vehicle, and then we will decide whether that vehicle we have to buy or not. Is it a right approach?
So again, see, I have the program called as a vehicle mastery.
Okay.
You are taking advice from whom?
Hmm.
From mechanic.
Hmm.
Who has a vested interest? If your vehicle is a problematic, then you are a customer for that mechanic,
True.
right?
Correct.
So why he will give the honest opinion to you,
Hmm.
right? So never do that thing. Okay, do your own research. You should know that what to check and how to check,
Okay.
right? And do not try to avoid involve any third party in that,
Okay.
because all third party, whether it is a mechanic, whether it's a seller, whether it's an aggregator,
Hmm.
whether it's an insurance agent or finance, so they have their own vestige interest in that.
Right.
So you have to be very careful.
Hmm. But if I can't go to them, how will I decide whether that vehicle will be a perfect match for me or not?
So for that, either you can appoint a third party,
Okay.
okay, who will work for you,
Yeah. He should be unbiased.
unbiased. So I'm India's only one unbiased inspector
Hmm.
who do for finance also, for insurance also, and for individual client also.
Okay. Okay. So you are unbiased inspector. You have done lot of work. Can you give me some examples where there was some extreme cases and where you have helped the customer?
So I have helped in consumer forum cases also,
Okay.
because I've been appointed by the technical commissioner in so many cases.
Mhm.
Cases again, even brand like Mercedes,
Okay.
Audi, BMW.
Okay.
In that case, the manufacturing defect was there,
Hmm.
but OEM refused to accept that defect and they refused to give compensation.
So you fought against OEM.
Yes, OEM. Based on my technical expertise, I have given the report, and in some cases, even customer got 14 lakh rupees
Okay.
as a compensation reward from the court.
Okay. So can you please brief me in detail, like in which cases we should approach to consumer court?
So if there is any manufacturing defect you find,
Okay.
If it is your negligence, do not go.
Okay.
Okay, otherwise you will be penalized.
Okay.
But if it is a genuinely manufacturing defect and OEM is refused, OEM or dealer is refused to give any compensation or give it, get it rectified, in that cases you can go to consumer forum cases. In insurance cases, there is a fine print that suppose there is a you are not taken the engine protection and you drove your vehicle within the water,
Okay.
flooded water. See, if vehicle is parked, in that case, insurance company will bound to give the claim.
So that is okay.
If vehicle is not parked and you have went through the water, and because of that, is there any further damages in the engine part and all this thing, then it is not payable.
Okay. Okay.
So you need to read every
All those things.
details before claiming the things. If you are not giving the cause of failure in the claim form, then also your claim is get rejected.
Okay.
If insurable interest is not there, then only your claim rejected. Suppose you buy the vehicle, you forgot or you didn't transfer that vehicle to your name or transfer the insurance in your name. So technically, insurance is on a previous owner name and vehicle is in your name. In that case also, claim will get rejected.
Okay. So this is the one case where claim will get rejected.
Correct.
Can you tell me, tell our audience as well, like in how many cases or what multiple cases insurance claim may get rejected?
So if it is as I told you that if that add-on cover is not there, suppose engine protection
failure,
is not there, if you hide anything from the insurance company,
Okay. For example.
if you fit the CNG kit from outside and you did not inform to the insurance company, in that case claim is get rejected.
Okay.
If you are using that vehicle for the commercial use,
Okay.
and you are not informed to your insurance company, then claim will be rejected. So if you are not taking a due care of your vehicle, you are using racing and you are listening, so that in that case also claim get rejected.
Okay.
If you
Okay.
are hiding anything from the insurance company which will affect their liability, that cases the claim will get rejected.
Okay. Now I want to move to the next section. There are multiple cars which are available in Indian market currently. Some are German, some are Japanese, Indian, European cars are also there. So what do you think? What is the specification of those particular cars?
So Japanese car is known for the reliability.
Okay.
German car are known for their precision. Okay, so majority you see the Audi and all less vehicle that they are for the precision. Okay, Indian car known for the safety.
Safety, yeah.
Okay, thanks to Mahindra and Tata. They got a very good global NCAP rating.
Right.
Okay, nowadays people are asking for the global NCAP rating, and based on that they are purchasing the
Now
vehicle.
even Maruti also Maruti's new vehicle is
Correct.
having 5
Correct.
rating. Yeah.
Yeah.
So Maruti was known for the
Economical car. But now they also shifted their focus from this thing to
right. This is a great
they
thing.
are giving priority to safety.
Correct. Fine. So, like, based on which things we should select a car? We have multiple cars. We have sedan, hatchback, SUVs, MUVs. So, like, which factors should I consider?
So there is a science behind it. Okay, in my 3-day program, okay, I teach everything about this. How to the map your need to the vehicle. Okay, so first you need to understand why you are buying the vehicle. Okay, so suppose you are commuting within the city limit, you should select for the hatchback. You go for the hatchback because of the size and the the Indian traffic condition. Right. If the running is little bit outside and you have 4 person in that vehicle, okay, so hatchback is very little for you, or it's not comfortable.
It will be
In that
congested.
cases, sedan is recommended. If you are going on off road or the road little bit is not in good condition,
Mhm.
then go for the SUV.
Okay, then SUV will be
Yeah.
a good option.
If you want pleasure, you go with the Mercedes brand like
Yeah.
Mercedes. Okay.
Right.
Okay. If you really want to enjoy the driving, then you go for the Audi.
Drive
Okay.
experience will be
Yeah.
better.
So if you want both pleasure and drive experience, go for the BMW.
But if someone is not having that much of budget and he want a good driving car experience, which will be the best option?
So Toyota will be good
Good
in that
option.
kind. And they
Okay.
have the reliability also, economy also,
Hmm.
and the technology also.
Right. Another one question related to the same topic is we have multiple fuel options as well: petrol, diesel, CNG, and now EV. So, what do you think? How should someone select which fuel option he has to go?
So if your the thumb rule is that if your running is below 1500 kilometer, go for the petrol.
Below 1500, go for the petrol.
Petrol.
Okay.
If it is above 1500, go for the hybrid vehicle, CNG vehicle, or EV vehicles.
Okay.
Okay, but if you, within your city
Mhm.
EV infrastructure is not there,
Okay.
then do not go for the EV.
Mm-hmm.
Right, go for the hybrid. For next 5 years, hybrid is the right option. Okay,
Okay.
because it's a transition period. Okay, we are not ready for the EV
EV.
vehicle. Infrastructure is not there. Okay, in that case, hybrid is work for you.
Hybrid is the best option.
Yeah.
Currently. Okay, fine. What about CNG? Like we have seen there are multiple cases, or there is a myth that CNG is not safe. CNG warranty is not covered. What is
So there are two types of CNG vehicles in the area. Earlier, when there was a not OEM CNG fitted vehicles were available, so it was an external fitting. In
Okay.
external fitting, there might be possibility that due to incompatibility of that CNG kit with the vehicle, original vehicle, okay, so there was a problem. There was a maintenance cost higher, or some engine problem was there. Okay, but if it is a company fitted CNG is there, there is no problem.
okay?
It's absolutely safe. Even in external fitting of CNG, warranty will be not there.
Okay.
And if you're not mentioned and are endorsed in your insurance policy, even insurance claim will be get rejected.
Okay.
But if it is a company fitted, then there is no problem.
Okay. My another question is related to total cost of ownership. Like when we buy any car, so for example, its ex showroom price is 9 lakh or 9.99 lakh rupees, but the total cost of ownership might be different. So how one should calculate the total cost of ownership? Which factors one should consider?
So in majority cases, people doesn't know that it's a TCO concept, total cost of ownership. Okay, they only go by that vehicle is 10 lakh rupees ex showroom, so they think that it's a 10 lakh rupees vehicle, but it's a ex showroom 10 lakh rupees.
Right.
On that, you have to pay road tax, insurance. Then after when you move out from the showroom, then there will be the biggest cost is depreciation. In very first year, vehicle will be depreciated by 30%.
In luxury segment.
No, in luxury segment, it might go beyond 40% also.
In 1 year only.
1 year.
Okay.
So it depends on that vehicle. Like iPhone 17. Okay. So when iPhone 17 launched, what was the cost of 16? It's obsolete.
Yeah.
So in premium vehicle, the technology is getting obsolete very fast. The second factor is that as people are thinking that 2 years warranty is getting over, okay, the cost of maintenance will be high.
Right.
So that fear again playing another role.
True.
That is why the in some of the luxury cases, that 40% depreciation will be there in very first year.
Okay, so there was a trend of Fortuners in last few years. Now the trend has shifted to Defender.
Correct.
Everyone, be it entrepreneur, be it politician, everyone want to have a Defender.
Correct.
So, like, what is the reason behind this craze?
So, there are two different segments, though it is this thing. Okay, one is Toyota Fortuner is known for this reliability,
Right.
and low cost of ownership. I'll give you one example that in Fortuner, the total cost of ownership, if you count in per kilometer,
Okay.
so it will cost you 42 rupees. And in Defender, it is 172 rupees. Huge difference.
Right.
Okay. So, Fortuner is for the traveling. Okay. And Defender is again for the pleasure. So, totally, the person who's taking Defender, he will not look after the cost of ownership.
Correct.
He's go for the pleasure.
Right. That is a major difference. But talking about Fortuner is not that tech advanced car. It is not having a good, even not a proper touch screen or not a sunroof. Still, there is a craze of Fortuner.
So, when in India, when Fortuner was there, okay, at that time no other cars are there available, and the cars which need to be imported has 100% duty.
Right.
So in that segment, the Fortuner was the big hit in that time.
But now there are multiple options available.
So people are going to other options. Only thing is that in Fortuner, so fortunately depreciation curve was positive.
Right.
Even if you wanted to sell the Fortuner, even after 3 years also, you will able to recover 70% of amount.
True. That's true. Is
So-
it the same case with all Toyota cars?
Yeah, all the Toyota cars.
Okay.
It's a good observation. It's all Toyota car. If you take Innova, Fortuner, even the earlier ones, the Qualis, okay, you see the Toyota cars is appreciated,
Right.
not depreciated.
True. Okay. So coming to the next part, which is currently the EV market. EV segment is booming. Mahindra has launched EV. Tata was already there in EV. More players will be coming. MG is
EV, yeah.
came into EV with another model that they have to pay
Correct.
for the battery.
Pay
and all.
per kilometer.
Pay per
for
kilometer,
battery,
right?
yes.
So what is your understanding about EV market in India as of now?
So obviously, EV market is growing in India, but still there is a lack of infrastructure. Okay, if the infrastructure improve, and there is nothing like that for the EV market.
Okay.
You see the Bangalore, there are so many EV vehicles available because of the infrastructure.
Right.
But still, in interior part of India, the charging facility, lack of charging facility, and all these things. So still, things to be moved.
So there is hope that next 4-5 years
next
will be
4 to 5 years it will take, but after that there will be EV market.
okay. And talking about diesel, what?
So diesel, nowadays even you see that there is no diesel car. New variant is not available.
Yeah, but still, I know some people who are who love to drive diesel cars.
Yeah.
One of my friend.
Because of the power.
Ah,
Because of the power. But then you also get a petrol in that petrol segment. Turbocharged
engine.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
And earlier the diesel was using because of the price, the running cost.
Running cost is low.
So you got now hybrid vehicles, CNG vehicles.
Okay, so I just want to understand about your experience working in. You have worked in multiple companies. You have worked in OEM. You have worked in insurance companies as well. So your experience working in insurance companies.
So I work as an insurance surveyor who actually work out the liability of the insurance company, and based on that my report, insurance company will compensate you. Okay.
Yeah.
So I have very good experience with the insurance company. Only people, because of lack of knowledge of policy, okay, claimant feel that the claim is getting rejected.
Right.
In some of the cases, it is a genuine things,
Hmm.
but many times that people doesn't know the insurance policy terms and conditions, and that is why the claim is getting rejected.
Okay. So terms and conditions. we
Yeah,
have
you
to-
you need to read all the terms and conditions. You need to take add-on cover for that.
Mhm. Okay, fine. Sir, thank you so much for the time that you have given. We have discussed about the used car. We have discussed about the insurance industry. We have discussed about the Fortuner, Defender. You have given very good information. I'll also request my audience that if you want to buy a new car or used car, or you are already owning a car, but you want to get some more information, want some advice, I'm just giving the website of Sachin Mulge sir in comment section and description. You just visit the website. You can book a call, schedule a call with him, and he will definitely give you perfect advice for your car journey. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.